Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Bates with today's math lesson for Module 5, Topic B. The learning goal for today is I can count numbers from 10 to 19 and describe them in different ways. You will need your whiteboard and dry erase marker or a piece of paper and a pencil. Don't forget your 10 counting sticks and have your 10 snap cubes or 10 counters ready to go. Now, let's start with a little practice with numbers from 1 to 10. I'm going to show you a 10 frame. You tell me how many counters I have on it. Well, go ahead. How many counters do you see? 10. Good. How about now? 8. Excellent. Did you say 6? You're right. 9. Good. A 5 group. 4 more. That's 9. Excellent. 7. Oh, that's easy peasy. 5. 3. 4. 2. 1. Excellent, friends. Now, let's move on to our teen numbers, right? Teen numbers start with a group of 10. So there's my group of 10. We need another 10 frame. How about I'll say it the 10 way, you say it the regular way. Ready? 10, 1. 11, 10, 2. 12, 10, 3. 13, 10, 4. 14, 10, 5. 15. Wow, that's what 15 looks in 10 frames. 10, 6, 16. 10, 7, 17. 10, 8, 18. 10, 9, 19. And do you know what 10, 10 is? Well, two groups of 10, that equals 20. That's what 20 counters look like. Very good. Now, let's just practice counting 1 through 10. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, look, I see a pattern. Interesting. Now, let's see if we can make 10, 4. 10, 4. Let's start with our 10. And then how many? Yes, if you said we needed to add 4 more, you are right. Well, what is 10, 4? What teen number is 10, 4? If you said 14, you are right. 10, 4 is 14. Very good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Excellent. I can make 10, 7. Well, I need my 10. And how many more? 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's what 7 looks like in a 10 frame. 10, 7. What is 10, 7? Well, if you said 17, you are right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I just counted on from my group of 10. I already know there's 10 in that group, so I don't need to start with 1. I can just say 10. That's counting on, boys and girls. All right. Oh, look at my 10 frames now. They look a little different, but we can do it. Ready? Let's look at the first set of 10 frames. There's 10 counters and 3 more. What is 10, 3? If you said 13, you are right. Let's start with 10 and count on to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Were you able to do it with me? Good. If not, let's try another one. Maybe you can do it this time. Are you ready? Let's look at the other set of 10 frames. Well, we know we have 10 because that frame is filled. 10 and how many more? Did you say 9? Great. What is 10, 9? 10, 9 is 19. Let's count on from 10 to 19. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Excellent. Now look what I just did. I put my first teen number in a number bond. That's right. 10 and 3 more. Look at that. Makes 13. Let's try the next one. Look at that. 10 and 9. 19. Excellent. Oh my goodness gracious. We love number bonds, don't we? What do you think that number is? You're right, 17. And how can we show 17? Well, we know that all teen numbers start with a group of 10. Did you say it? You're right. And how many more do we need to add to show 17? Well, if you said 7, you are right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did I have to put 7 more counters in the 10 frame? I sure did. That is 17. Good. Let's look at the next teen number. What do we see? 12. Well, it's a teen number. Start with a group of 10. How many more? Let's see. 10, 11, 12. Did you say 2 more? Yes, very good. Now, I don't have 10 frames, but I have a 10 stick and some extra ones. So let's look at the first one. I have a 10 stick. And how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think 10, 5? What teen number is that showing? Well, if you said 15, you are right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't have to count the cubes in the 10 stick. I know there's 10. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, there's a 10 stick. There's 10. And how many extras? Easy peasy. 10, 1. What is 10, 1? If you said 11, you are right. Hi, boys and girls. Look, it's our friend Jack Hartman, and he wants us to write our teen numbers in the air. Can I do it with you? Because you know how much I love to dance.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs make your brain and body strong. Hands together out front, feet apart out wide. Write the teen numbers in the air and exercise. 11 is a 1 with a 1. 12 is a 1 with a 2. 13 is a 1 with a 3. 14 is a 1 with a 4. 15 is a 1 with a 5. 16 is a 1 with a 6. 17 is a 1 with a 7. 18 is a 1 with an 8. 19 is a 1 with a 9. Let's do it all together. Exercise is fun. Teens always have two numbers, and the first number is 1. 11 is a 1 with a 1. 12 is a 1 with a 2. 13 is a 1 with a 3. 14 is a 1 with a 4. 15 is a 1 with a 5. 16 is a 1 with a 6. 17 is a 1 with a 7. 18 is a 1 with an 8. 19 is a 1 with a 9. Teen numbers, we did it!
Why don't we review the Say 10 way? You ready? 10, 1, 11, 10, 2, 12, 10, 3, 13, 10, 4, 14, 10, 5. Did you say 15? 10, 6, 16, 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, and 10, 9, 19. And what we have to remember about our teen numbers, that every teen number starts with a group of 10. Now, I'm going to use my dry erase board and my marker with this paper slid inside. It's the one that has the 2 10 frames. Here are my counters. And I have my number cards. And remember, I said I took out the number cards 1 through 9 because today we're going to practice our teen numbers. And look here, I've already put some counters in this 10 frame to show that my teen numbers have a group of 10. So let's flip one over and show that number. Are you ready? Here we go. 19. Oh my goodness. Well, it's a teen number. It's going to start with a group of 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And you might have known already that I needed 9 because 19, if we say it the 10 way, it's 10, 9, and that's what I'm showing, 10, 9, 19. Now look over here, I'm just going to put the teen number, I'm going to make a number bond. Here's the number 19. And let's look at the parts. How many in this part? Well, that's right, 10. And this part, 9. Look at that, 10, 9 is 19. Very good. We're also very good at number bonds. Now, I'm just going to slide those off, but I'm not going to erase my counters in this 10 frame because remember, every teen number begins or starts with a 10 group. So let me turn over the next one. Oh my goodness, look at my cards. Here we go. Do you know what that number is? It's a teen number. 14. Very good. So I have my 10, my group of 10, and I'm going to add 4 more. Now I'm showing 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. 10, 4 is 14. And I can write that in a number bond, can't I? There's my number 14. Let's look at this part. 10. Let's look at this part. 4. Wow. 10, 4 is 14. All right, we're going to do one more. These are fun to do. Well, Mrs. Bates loves math. Slide those over. Keep those on. Let's do one more. Here we go. What number is that? If you said 18, you are right. I already have my group of 10. How many more do I have to add? 8. Now, you know what 8 looks like in a 10 frame, right? 5 and 3 more. Very good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, I can count on from 10 too. Now, we have 18. Let's show that in a number bond. But let's start with the parts. Let's see. I have 10 and I have 8. Those are my parts, 10, 8. Well, what is 10, 8? You're right, 18. Good job. Now, if you don't have this paper from the toolkit, no worries. You can just make 2 10 frames. And they're easy, right? Awesome. Great job, boys and girls.